I am not going to waste your time. Here is no BS guide on how to build an aesthetic body. Building an aesthetic physique isn't about extremes. It's finding that sweet spot between strength and leanness, embodying a classic V-shape. Step 0. Define aesthetic physique. Before diving in, let's clarify. An aesthetic physique strikes a balance. It's not about extreme bulk or excessive slimness. Picture strong muscles, minimal fat, broad shoulders, and a trim waist, the head-turning V-shape. Step 1. Consistent workout routine. Consistency is key. Contrary to the daily gym myth, focus on working each muscle group twice a week. Opt for routines like push-pull legs or full-body workouts. Stick to one routine for at least 8 weeks before considering a change. Step 2. Optimal exercises. Choosing the right exercises is vital. For chest, the classic bench press. Shoulders, opt for dumbbell shoulder press. Arms, include bicep curls and tricep dips. Back, prioritize pull-ups. Core, swear by the plank. Lower body, embrace the ultimate leg exercise, squats. Step 3. Dietary guidelines. Your hard work won't shine without the right diet. No need for a flawless plan, but ensure a good mix of protein, carbs, and healthy fats in every meal. Aim for 1 to 2 gram of protein, 3 to 4 gram of carbs, and 0.5 to 1 gram of fats per kilogram of your weight. Keep it simple and indulge occasionally. Step 4. Smart supplements. Navigate the supplement maze wisely. Consider creatine for muscle boost, multivitamins to cover nutritional gaps, and fish oil for strong bones and injury prevention. While whey protein is popular, getting protein from meals is encouraged. Step 5. Recovery and rest. Recovery is where growth happens. Muscles strengthen during rest, not just during workouts. Ensure 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep and incorporate active recovery methods like stretching and foam rolling. Every step, from workout intensity to rest, shapes your journey to an aesthetic physique. Dive in, stay consistent, and witness your best version emerge. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel, and always stay confident and keep glowing.